Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi A3, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into Fastboot mode. So to get started, you want to hold your power button and volume up at the same time. And from the boot options, select power off. When the device turns off, you want to hold your power button and volume down. Just let's wait for the device to actually turn off. There we go, power button, volume down. And you want to keep holding it till you see the Fastboot mode or Fastboot written on the screen. There we go. So there we go, that is how you boot your device into Fastboot mode. Now once you're done with this mode, most likely whatever you're needing it for will boot you out of it, but if you decided to, I don't know, maybe change your mind and not do whatever you wanted to do, you can hold the power button and hold it as long as it takes for the screen to turn off, which will indicate that the device decided to reboot. There we go. It should boot up on its own, so there we go. So we don't need to do anything extra. And as you can see, the device is now back on. So there we go. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.